Yo, what's up, Molly Bunch? Welcome back to yet another reaction. Zinalangan Salimaziwa. Ine, for those of you who are new, Zinalanga the TT, Ndimankala kuna kuyase koma, Ndimachogera ku Botswana. You're probably thinking, whoa, you can speak Chichewa fluently like that? Yes. You guys have been teaching me. Thank you so much to Mr. Gift. Please continue teaching me, man. I really appreciate your lessons and everything, so I am grateful. Okay, so yeah, I wish like YouTube was like Facebook or something where you can like send people direct inboxes and stuff like that, so you can like you let them know that and maybe you can have even conversation outside of this. But maybe I should create my own Facebook so that for those of you who want to get in touch and all the things. Anyway, I am really appreciative for you guys who are teaching me Chichewa. I am taking pride in learning your language, obviously enjoying your music, so it makes things a little bit easier. Anyway, this is not about me. Let's get to Joker by Driemo. A lot of people requested this song, so here we are, okay? If you are here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Okay, so let's go without wasting any time.
Say no.
This is Joker by Driemo.
Say no, forever hold your peace. The magician. Joker, that all a joker, the reason he men and the mati popa, all of the food and the calabe pompa, oda, zizi limu oda, kaya muzine na kutindi zaloda, and I don't care for the I'm in love. She got a kind of salt on the pretty face, niyemwe kuvuta kwanga amakumbe. So many reasons, she in a funny way, pagulula makwini, nasanga joker, yegeza ni yawe, mami, bidi binilindi planina, kalibe zosinta, balibe chenjiwe.
Yo, obviously the video is brilliant. I mean, this is Driemo. I feel like he's one of the biggest artists out there in Malawi. If not, you guys watch how, okay? But yeah, I've seen so many of his projects. I've reacted to so many of his songs, and obviously the videos are always top quality, the music, and I feel like he's very consistent. Like, probably making a song, I don't even know if he remembers all his songs. Like, does he remember all the songs he has done so far, the features he has done? But yeah, man, this guy has been consistent. As much as I've been watching him, super consistent person. And I just wanted to point out Inshima. There was Inshima there. It's been a minute since I had pub, man, because I know I call it pub because I'm a little bit from down south. But oh my goodness, every time I see pictures like that, I'm like, I know that taste.
See where she can see me. Nanga wela kusokoneza system wahaka. Na imatension indilibe mbambui system wamaka. I want to mami we mami. Mami we adabangina. Ati we te mami we mami. Mami we adabangina.
Driemo out here taking all the customers. Like, people will be warning you, like, hey, do not go to Driemo's restaurant. He will take your number. And now
you want the chitai pijan, Jeda meti wine, chitai pijan. You want the dun the size young. I don't want another one, you timakalan. We is another moyo.
You know what's funny with the language? Because he just said, you are my type, or the things, you are my size. It's so funny because people say that in South Africa, people say that in Botswana, and I'm pretty sure they say that in Zambia and Namibia. I don't know about the other countries going way up there, but it's crazy. Tenga moyo wanga ukalema trusty. Ngiziku masukila ukalema besti. Iwe chako ichi ni changani. Yembegeza niguwe mami we.
nilindi plani nepalibe zosinta palibe janjiwe siwe kansi me come again mami believe me nilindi plani nepalibe zosinta palibe janjiwe I don't take you for jokes iwe sikansi unangokwela kusokoneza system wa hapa na ima tension indilibe mpambu system wa maka I want to mami we mami mami we adabangina ati we say mami we mami mami we adabangina nango kwela kusokoneza system wa haka na ima tension indilibe mpambu system wa maka I want to mami we mami mami we adabangina ati we say mami we mami mami we adabangina
from City Records.
All that from just daydreaming. Ah, that's a beautiful.
No, I didn't.
type it in.
I didn't know you can treat Instagram like Safari. I thought you could.
Alright. Stop with the ads. Alright, I didn't know you. Hold on. I think this is alright, let's see. His songs always have a twist in the end, right? Like I was trying to see if I can. Anyway, Driemo, big guy from Malawi. So for those of you who don't know, go check out his YouTube page. I mean, I feel like the numbers don't lie, right? Like numbers don't lie. I think a lot of people are watching his music. A lot of people are enjoying his music, myself included. So I think, like I said, numbers don't lie, man. Go check out his YouTube page, subscribe. And I think a lot of people are watching and they're not subscribing to his YouTube page, which is like, I don't understand. You guys must do that so that, you know, people can know that this is not just some random artist. This is like a huge artist out there in Malawi, okay? So, anyway, thank you so much for watching this. Like I said earlier, if you're watching this for the first time, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. I will see you guys on the other side. Bye.